Good day, Raptors. Welcome back to the channel, and in this new video we are going to be doing the last few steps to make our level perfect. So with no further distractions, let's go. First thing that you have to do is go to your hierarchy. I thought someone's here. And add a new empty object. Reset its pivot point, as easy as that. And then bring in a, rename it first. Open gate. And then add to that object a 3D cube. Bring its origin about up by 0.5 and we're gonna put it right here. It's easy as that. The only thing that you actually have to change physically is set the box glider to a trigger. Okay, then the following should be happening. Don't have to rename the cube, but where's the gate? There's the gate. You have to rename that. I forgot to put it in the previous video. That is going to be our gate. So gate, and apply all changes. Then go to scripts, first prefabs, and add that open gate and make it a prefab. Then go to materials, and we'll cover materials in the next video, or you can just add a material yourself. Okay, and go to scripts and add a new script and say, call it open the gate, and open that up. Come on. There's one more thing that I forgot. You guys don't have to worry about. It's for me. It's just to open my notes so I do not mess up. There it is. Just waiting for this program, and my notes are open. Let's go. So how we're going to do this is pretty easy. Remove that, and you can remove void start, and void update is going to change in a little bit. So first thing what we're going to do is we're going to actually call a public capital game object and call it gate, so you don't have to reset every time. Okay, so that's going to be our gate, and then void update is going to change to void on trigger enter. Did I spell it right? Of course, you cannot make a mistake there, or it will not work. So what's going to happen here is pretty easy. We're just going to say destroy gate. As easy as that. That's going to be our gate destroyer. Okay, so let's go back to Unity, go to our open gate, and go to our cube and place our open gate script. Then the gate is going to be gate. That would be that small part. So let's go test it out. Going to play, no errors, and yes, I haven't created the AI to actually, I haven't reset it for AI's pivots, and the gate has destroyed. My AI is just going through the walls. Don't worry, I'll fix it in the next video. Well, in the next video I'm actually going to use a different project to make my work easier. And at the moment the gate is destroyed, but if I go into the gate, there's nothing happening. So we have to put in a script that will go from one level to the next level after certain things have happened, like the UI has popped up and gave you your star rating, whatever you're going to put in there. And so we have to go and make that script, but we cannot just say go to the next level, go to and then put in the level name. We want to actually go and it calculates what level we are in and it calculates what's the next level. As easy as that, guys. So I'm going to go and add a new C# script, and we're going to call it go to next level, and open that up. So like I said, we are going to calculate which level we are at the moment, and if there's a level after it, we have to go to that level, and we're going to do it in the following way. It's going to remove all of that because the previous script we actually made an on trigger. Enter. So paste and okay, on trigger enter. But nothing's really going to happen in the on trigger enter. I'm going to put in the main code in a different void. It's going to be a public void that will be doing all the calculations. And then just on trigger enter will actually just call the void, the function. So how we're going to do this is public void, I'm going to call it load next level. Okay, so what is going to happen here? So we're going to go and say if application dot loaded level is higher or smaller than application dot level count minus 1. So what is actually happening there is it's checking the level that we're currently in, is there a level after this level? If there is, then we'll load it. But if there's not a level after that, we're going to go to the main level. And that's going to be the main menu in short terms. So let's go and say application.load level, and the level that we're going to be loading is application dot loaded level +1. So what's happening is here is it's getting the level that we're currently in, and it's just going to the next level. I'll show you where I get that from. Can't point. I'll quickly show you. If you go to your project and you go to File and Build Settings, and where did my build settings go? There you go. It's going to be like this. Your main menu level is going to be here at top. It's going to be at 0. Then level 1 is going to be that's going to be your main menu level. Then the one after that is going to be, drag it to the side, go to levels, is going to be A1. So it's just having a count here, and what we're doing is we looking at what level count we're at, and it's just adding another, just plussing that with 1 to go to the next one, because after 1 is 2, after 2 is 3, and so forth. So that's currently what my script is doing. But we also want to calculate if we're at the last level. So it's going to be else, and it did it again. Son of a bitch. Okay, else it's going to go to application dot capital load level and to level 0, and level 0 is going to be our main menu in the future. We are not going to touch it right now. So that's currently what's happening. So let's go and say, go out there, and and I forgot something. So in your end cube that we made in the previous videos, we created in that I didn't rename it, order to next level. We created a trigger box inside after the gate. So what's actually going to happen is you're going to go to that trigger box, go to your scripts, and go to next level, add the script there. And one thing that I forgot is on void enter, on trigger enter, you actually have to call that, but it's going to change in the future, because when UI gets in, the UI will automatically call this function, and that's going to be freezing the game and loading the UI. That's why I'm doing it this way for now, and in the future we're going to change it. So let's go and test it out. We are currently in level 1, and is there any errors? That's fine. Okay, so go and open the gate. Gates open. And went to the next level. There's nothing done in this level yet, because this level is going to change. In the next video everything's going to be a little bit different, but at the moment this is just fine. So yeah guys, that was the basics of making the gate trigger and also loading the next level. So it's pretty easy guys. In the next video we're going to start with the UI elements. We're going to start with the main menu, and then we're going to make the pop-up when you win. It shows you how many stars and everything like that. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, smash the comments, and destroy that thumbs up, because I'd really appreciate if you guys do it. And also share it to all your friends that are developers that you think would be interested. This is also a tutorial for the beginners. If you're a beginner in Unity, you will enjoy this. So yeah guys, I hope this was helpful, and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers guys.